GoHighLevel 30-day free trial. Here's what you need to do. GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial is not automatic. You can't just sign up and get it. Here's what you actually need to do. According to my honest experience working with GoHighLevel, this will save you time and resources. First, you need a special trial link. Click the link in my description or the first pinned link in the comment section. What I love about GoHighLevel is that it offers a full 30-day trial if you click the link in the description below. Yes, the link in my description activates the extended trial access. Second, use a real business email when signing up. If you use a random Gmail account, they might flag it and give you the shorter trial or none at all. Business email gets you taken seriously. Third, and this is critical, actually use it during those 30 days. Set up at least one funnel. Build one automation. Send test emails. Connect your calendar. Why? Because if you just sign up and let it sit there, you'll hit day 29, realize you didn't test anything, and have no idea if it's worth paying for. I wasted my first trial doing exactly that. Signed up, got busy, forgot about it, trial expired, had to start over. Fourth, explore the templates. GoHighLevel has pre-built funnels, email sequences, and workflows. Don't build everything from scratch. That eats up your trial time fast. Click my description or pinned comment right now for the 30-day trial link. Use those 30 days smartly. Learn as much as you can with this tool. Test everything you'd actually use before the trial ends, and you have to decide.